Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming core prerequisites, Python 3, 10 plus pip and a lightweight virtualenv. This prevents environment conflicts. Once done, choose one domain, web, data, or automation, and define 3 concrete projects that solve small problems because employers care about impact. Make sure to init a GitHub repo immediately and add a README that explains purpose, setup, and one short demo. A visual or 30-second video sells your work faster. Begin coding small, test often, and commit with clear messages. You now enter the execution phase. Structure each project with modular code, unit tests, and GitHub Actions ensures reliability and shows professionalism. Integrate frameworks that match your domain, Flask or Django for web apps, Pandas and NumPy for data tasks. Add a simple REST API to demonstrate deployment skills. Once a project is functional, write a one-page case study explaining the problem, your approach, and measurable results, percent improvements or time saved, so reviewers immediately grasp value. You finish by preparing applications and interviews. Tailor each resume and cover letter to the role, citing 2 to 3 matching projects that demonstrate required skills. Practice timed coding problems and system design prompts. Simulate interviews with peers and review mistakes weekly to avoid repeating them. If things go wrong, low responses, or failed interviews, ask targeted questions on forums, refactor code for clarity, and add tests. This iterative feedback loop improves outcomes and gets you to offer stage faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.